Okay, see students, we consider GCD of 115 and we express it in the form of 100m plus 15n. So you already know we denote the GCD by D is equals to AB. Okay, and we also know we write D is equals to MA plus NB. Alright, now see how we solve this problem. 115, how we find its GCD. So here the lowest number is 15. So what we do? We write 100 in terms of the number 15 plus remainder. So we write 100 is equals to 15 into 6 plus 10. So this 10 is your remainder. Now the remainder is always positive. Now what is the next step? Now we consider this 15. Means we have to find GCD of 15 and 100. Therefore from this 15 we carry here. So we write 15 is equals to, and we write this 15 in the form of this remainder. So therefore we write 15 is equals to 10 into 1 plus 5. Again here your 5 is remainder. So what is the next step? Now we write 10. So 10 is equals to this remainder 5 into 2 plus 0. So when the remainder is 0 or 1, then we stop here. So as here our remainder is 0, so we stop here. We not apply the next. So the first number here obtained, that is nothing but the GCD. So therefore GCD of 115, that is equal to 5. Now see how we find M and N. So what we do? Now we denote this equation by 1, this equation by 2. Now look, from equation 2. So from equation 2, what is value of 5? 5 is equals to 15 minus 100 into 1. Now look this. So I call this as equation number 3. Now see, what I do also from equation 1. Now look equation 1. So equation 1, from equation 1, I write 10 is equals to 100 minus 15 into 6. 10 is equals to 100 minus 15 into 6. So what I do, I substitute value of 10 in equation 3. So from this equation, I substitute value of 10 here. Now see we obtain this step. Equation 3, consider karo. So 5 is equals to 15. This 15 is as it is. Minus. What is value of 10? 10 is equals to 100 minus 15 into 6. So I put here 100 minus 15 into 6 and this into 1, that is as it is. Alright. So we expand this bracket. So 5 is equals to this 15 minus 100 into 1. I write 100 into 1. This minus and this minus become plus. So that gives 15 into 6. Now look, this 15 into 6 means 15 is multiplied by 6 times and this one more 15. So how many 15 can be multiplied? So 15 can be multiplied by 7 times. This is 6 and this is 1. So therefore we write 5 is equals to 15 into 7 and minus 100 into 1. This is as it is. So this can be written as, how we write? 5 is equals to, I write 100 into minus 1. Minus 100 into 1 means 100 into minus 1 plus 15 into 7. Means what I get? I get M is equals to minus 1 and N is equals to 7. So in this way we find M equal to and N equal to. Alright.